The impetus for starting the Moment of Insight guide is both personal and scientific for me. Um, in the United States, every year, according to the CDC, over 55 million Americans seek mental health services for an average of 48-day wait, meaning over a month passes when these people feel like they really need mental health services, maybe basic counseling services, and don't receive any help whatsoever. I found this to be personally true during the pandemic, as both my healthcare professional spouse and myself needed mental health services and could not get any for over 60 days at that time. This is a worldwide issue, and many of those seeking mental health services could be helped during the waiting period with simple self-reflection guides that take you through the most basic evidence-based psychological questions to help get you prepared to work well with a therapist, and in some cases, even resolve your issue before you seek time with a therapist by asking some of the same questions and prompting some of the same self-healing techniques that a therapist would prompt in a single session. So that's why the mental So that's why the Moment of Insight Guide was built, to try to expedite and offer that single session prepare for therapy, or maybe even take the place of a single session of therapy to get you started on your own path to adapting the changes you want to adapt and making the life you want to have.